Yeah. I'm Tia and I upload 4 times a week. Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, Sunday. I do surprise uploads. So you're going to want to subscribe right now. Yeah, just hit subscribe wherever it is. Here. Hit subscribe. Today I am testing out, I thought I had bacon in my teeth. Today I'm testing out one of my favorite wigs, and that is Jenna Collections Nunu. I love this wig. Great everyday wig. I have her in a different color, so I wanted to try to see if I liked her in another color. And I have been doing a couple of these videos, and I scooped this particular one up from Hair Sisters for $19.95. It was like the first time I ordered from them. You can see my full review like on the original Nunu, but this is Nunu. I have her in this color here, which is Mocha Blonde. That's the one I have her in. And I got her in Golden Blonde. She's lace front, heat safe. She's got the extended lace parting. So this is the Golden Blonde color. Is it Golden Blonde or Golden Bronze? Golden Blonde. It's really given me sort of a number 30 mixed with a 27, which I like. It might be nice like for the fall. It's funny, sometimes in the different colors, I don't recall the part being so tight on this. She does have little baby hairs there. And 2 combs in the front, comb in the back, adjustable straps. Yeah, you can see that 27 right in there. So let me just get her together and then we'll see what I think of Nunu in a different color.
How do I feel about being a member of the Information Society? That's a difficult question because I didn't know we were in the Information Society.
But nothing to get together, which is why one of the reasons why I love Nunu. I do feel like, yeah, I had to like I always set my parts and stuff down. It's just my preference. I did have to add some dry shampoo because I do feel like this color is a little shinier than the, what's it, Mocha Blonde, which is like an ashiness. Wig cap is comfortable. Let's look at her from the back. Yeah, she's really pretty, but she definitely needs a little bit of dry shampoo just to take her down. I really like the coloring though. I mean, I love Nunu. I actually really like her in this color. I did another one of these with Sensational Shayna, and I also did a video on my backup wig haul that was like all the wigs that I bought backups of, and I'll probably be doing another one of those soon because I already know 1 or 2 that I want backups of and try in different colors. One of those is a wig, I think it's Gigi from The Wig, that's the name of the company. So At any rate, I really like her in this color. I think that this would be such a great wig, especially for like an everyday. I like just like a little tuck behind the ear. She is giving me a little bit of Janet Collections Kate. Kate, I think, is a little bit longer, but I'm pretty sure I have her in this similar color. Super pretty for fall. I really love this wig, and yeah, with the one with Shayna, it's not that I didn't like the new color, but I definitely like the original color better. In this one, I like the original color better because I love ashy blondes, but I actually feel like I kind of like this one just as much. So yeah, what do you think? I'll insert right here a clip of the original color, the Mocha Blonde, and you can sort of see the differences in the coloring, and I would like to know which one you like best. On me is the Mocha Blonde or this, and then which one do you like best just for your preference. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and if you have, thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!